Received a drone for repair today. The owner crashed into a house wall during their first flight. One of the drone's arms is broken. We decided to bond the broken piece to get accurate dimensions, then model it and 3D print the part. The drone arm was printed using PETG. A significant amount of time was spent on cleaning up the part and cable management. The motor wires also had to be restored as they had been damaged as well. Finally, we are conducting a test flight with the new arm. As it turns out, the repair was a success, and the new arm is almost indistinguishable from the factory originals.